nemari wagarwa nechizizere nemari zakazara chizu pasi pemvura yarotawo chizu munyika yenyadza nzira macho chigwaya nzira macho chigwaya nzira macho chigwaya.
Chigwaya is deeply rooted in Shona spirituality. It carries a profound spiritual message about water spirits, freedom, and the importance of ritual practice and offerings. In Shona, Chigwaya is a type of fish commonly known as bream. In this song, Chigwaya is used as a metaphor to describe the nature of water spirits, especially the Njuzu spirit. Just like a bream fish, it moves freely and gracefully in water. The Njuzu spirit is believed to move freely in rivers, in dams, and in all marine environments. It represents freedom, flow, and spiritual movement. This idea is expressed in a repeated line, Munzira macho Chigwaya. This means on its path, it moves like Chigwaya. Spiritually, this describes a journey. The Njuzu spirit moves like a pilgrim, flowing, dancing, and following its own sacred path. It shows that the spiritual journey is not rigid, but fluid and guided. Another important part of this song is Sadaka Matamba Ere, which means, have you performed the Thanksgiving ceremony? In this context, Sadaka refers specifically to a ceremony dedicated to water spirits. It is a way of giving thanks, showing respect, and maintaining a relationship with these spiritual beings. In Shona traditions and beliefs, water spirits are known by different names, including Njuzu, Dona, Jukwa, Shovanapasi, Tsungunu, Mondoro Dzenyanza, Vanaisi Vemvura, and many more. These names represent different forms and identities of water spirits, all connected to water as a source of life and spiritual power. One of the most important teachings in this song is in the sentence, Zoto dakachaske washavi ne sadaka. This means it requires wine for the water spirits and Thanksgiving ceremony. In this context, Kachasu represents wine for libation, pouring it down as an offering and also drinking it in celebration of water spirit. It is important to understand that in Shona culture, water spirits are celebrated in different way compared to ancestral spirits. When we do the spiritual ceremonies for the ancestral spirits, we praise the clans, totems, lineages, using such items as herbs, bute snuff, and drinking traditionally brewed beer. And within those ancestral ceremonies, people eat traditional food and follow the long-established customs connected to their land, which was passed down by their ancestors. However, when it comes to the ceremony for Njuzu or marine spirit, the practice changes. People don't use traditional brewed beer, they use wine, cachaço. And the lifestyle they follow often reflects Western ways. They dress differently, they are possessed in a different way, they eat different foods, they drink different beverages. This is sometimes referred to as Shaviremari, meaning a spirit associated with wealth. There is a belief that water spirits can bring prosperity, often compared to the lifestyle of wealthy Western people. Because of this, participants in these ceremonies may imitate aspects of Western lifestyle, not as imitation alone, but as part of a spiritual instruction guided by the water spirit or Njuzu spirit medium. This creates a unique spiritual dynamic. The Njuzu or water spirit becomes a pathway through which a medium connects not only to the spiritual world, but also to a different way of living. One that reflects wealth, transformation, and change, while still remaining spiritually grounded. It is very important to note that even though Western elements are present in the ceremony still is guided by strict spiritual rules. The medium of water spirit leads all the processes within the ceremony, ensuring that everything is done according to the instructions instructed by the water spirit. There's a song called Chigwaya. You know, most people, they associate with marine spirits with it. So what's your take on it? What do you reckon?
Thank you so much. That song also, it's a very spiritual song. Long back when we were growing up,
yes,
we used to know that there is an elderly woman in a community who is well respected. She, most of the time, she wears decent clothes, always. When a baby is not well, people take a baby to her. We didn't know what she was doing. Even leaders were being guided with that woman. Later we heard that she's a Garadziva. She has got a spirit. Then later when we grew up, we discovered that whenever they want to appease that type of spirit, Chigwaya was one of the songs that was being played and sang. And things do happen. Water spirits do exist to us Africans. Yes. But it's very unfortunate. There are some people who are abusing that type, that part, and they are taking it to their own advantages, using wrong spiritual ways. But to us Africans, spirit world exists. Water spirits are there. They come, they stay. And they guide us, and they are also healers, and they are not destroyers. They are not they don't cause any girl to be a prostitute. No, that's it's not those manjuzu that we know from our forefathers. The real water spirit guides. If it is well appeased the way we do as Africans, it guides, it advises, it protects. It comes way along with our ancestors. They are the ones who brought them. They were friends during the time they lived.
That's good.
So we cannot run away from Chigwaya. Chigwaya is a very good song. It appeases those spirits. When it is being played, they become happy, and they give, and they show their
presence.
Yes.
Right. So in another way, you're saying when Chigwaya is played during the Thanksgiving ceremonies, sadakas, and different types of ceremonies that we do for the water spirits, when we're playing it, you mean like people actually get into trance, they get possessed with the spirit of water.
Yes.
Right. And then does this spirit speak same language as our Zimbabwean ancestors when they're possessors, or does it come in sort of different languages? What do you experience on that?
All right. In our own culture as Africans, we have our own spirits,
Yes.
whom we call Magaradziva,
Yes.
and the other ones are called Machembere and Nope, which means the mud grannies.
Right.
Uh-huh. Then we have those water spirits who speak Shona, but we cannot run away that we have friends that used to live with our forefathers,
Yes.
who were not of our own native languages.
Right.
They come to their friends.
Yes.
Yes.
And
They
then-
come and do whatever,
And then they
if you
look after
accept
us.
them.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
So that's it. So you can hear for yourselves that the song that we play, which is called Chigwaya, because it's given the name of the fish, which is a brim. And in that song, she's talking about the traditional historical story about some traditional woman who survived, who was called Garadziva. And people used to play Chigwaya, and she would do a lot of miraculous things connected to the water spirits, but also connecting that song to all the water, the marine spirits, whether it's from Zimbabwean dams and rivers or seas in South Africa, and seas are far away out there in the world. All these spirits, they come to us because our ancestors were friends with them. We know that everyone came from Africa to begin with. So they still come back to meet up with our ancestors, how they depart from each other, and then how they come back and meet on the living medium. That's what she's defining. So thank you very much for giving us a bit of... Is there anything you want to top up on Chigwaya, or you're done with it?
Yes,
All right,
I have
okay,
to
there we
top
go.
up. That song, let's sing it. But let's remember that it's not all about what we think. It's all about what is our ancestors done and how they have lived. Let's cherish that song.
Okay.
It's our own song. It's our own identity.
Right.
And my last word again, I would like to say that not all water spirits are good.
Exactly.
And don't expect to get riches from water spirits. That's not how they operate. You will be blessed by the way how you live. They also need someone who is pure, someone who is clean, someone who is not great.
Exactly.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so you heard for yourself that in the marine, we don't only worship every marine spirit. We also come across some evil spirits that does bad, evil deeds. Maybe they're the one reincarnated to those people who are pretending to be Manchuzu, because Nchuzu represents the word mermaid. As we know, the word siren is the Greek word of the bad water spirit. So some people, they hide, they shield with the word Nchuzu in order for them to do their evil deeds. So these are kind of spirits that Shumbakazi lioness is talking about, that there is also bad spirits from water, from the marine. So we better watch out when we're doing our spirituality, when we're doing our cultivation, and we should just only head into the good spirits that links with our ancestors. Thank you very much for your advice on Nchuzu and Chigwaya song. Chigwaya means a fish called brim in English. But in this song, Chigwaya is a metaphor which represents the water spirit, the marine spirit. How the brim moves freely in the water. That's how the water spirit moves freely in rivers, dams, sea, in many water places where the water spirit dwells upon. It's always a free spirit. And we believe in our culture that these spirits are meant to bring wealth to us. So we do their ceremonies in slightly different way, but maintaining the spiritual rule. In this, we reflect upon Western lifestyle, but not just as Western lifestyle. Western lifestyle which is followed in a spiritual manner. That's our way to approach what we feel within our hearts when we're crying for wealth, talking to our water spirits to come and help us in order for us to excel through the battles of looking for wealth. And also for guidance. These spirits also can be rain spirits, rain doctors. They can be good at herbs. They can be good at many other advices. They can give you strength of knowing how to do engineering, mathematics. They can give you knowledge in astrology. They can give you knowledge in any subject of the planet, because we know that this planet was once covered in water before it became earth. So the water spirit, the marine spirit, we're looking at a very bigger ancestors who once circumnavigated this planet, who discovered 4 seasons of the planet, who discovered that which time is good to travel on the big ships in the sea. They are knowledgeable water spirits that knows the whole planet, because by traveling into 4 sides of the planet, they now live as many other tribes. So since history says Africa is the beginning of humanity, but humans left Africa through different means, some by walking, some by running, but most of them obviously in the ships and ferries traveling on the sea, because they could circumnavigate. And those, they are the gods that comes back to us as friendly spirits, that we praise them in pursuit to wealth, life, to guidance of many other knowledge that we need. So water spirits, they come in different forms. We call them Juzumado, Majugwana, Swanapasi, many types of water spirits. But all these, we normally celebrate them with a song called Chigwaya, which is a metaphor to say water spirits, Juzu spirit. Nzira macho Chigwaya, nzira macho Chigwaya, aiwa 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 aiwa, nzira macho vakomana iwe, nzira macho vasikana iwe, nzira macho ana amai, nzira macho ana papa, nzira macho Chigwaya, nzira macho Chigwaya, chinotamba mzira macho, chinotamba mzira macho, chinotamba mzira macho, Chigwaya icho, Chigwaya icho, Chigwaya icho. Anota njuzu izere makwati, anota njuzu izere nemari, agarwa nenjuzu yepasi pemvura, agarwa nenjuzu yepasi penyanza, agarwa nenjuzu izere masimba, nzira macho Chigwaya, njuzu yakunde yako, njuzu yangunde yangu, nzira macho Chigwaya, chinotamba mzira macho Chigwaya, chinotamba mzira macho Chigwaya. Sadaka matamba here, sadaka matamba here, sadaka matamba here, sadaka matamba here. Kachasuke vashavi waini, kachasuke vashavi waini, kachasuke vashavi waini, waini ndinoda waini, waini yenjuzu waini, waini yedona waini. Nzira macho Chigwaya, chinotamba mzira macho Chigwaya, chinotamba mzira macho Chigwaya. 'Cause 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 That's the song which is dedicated to marine spirits, to the water spirits. And when we play this, that's when Zimbabwean people within the ceremony, they reflect upon Western lifestyle. And not because they're just practicing the element of Western lifestyle. They are practicing that, but under the guidance of the medium possessed by water spirit. We do Western lifestyle and imitating it, but following the spiritual instruction within this song. Chaminuka and bless you all. Thank you very much.
Siramacho Chigwaya, Siramacho Chigwaya, Siramacho Chigwaya, Sadaka Matayamu, Sadaka Matayamu, Sadaka Matayamu, Sadaka Matayamu, Sadaka Matayamu, Wakabwana Chizi, Serene Bari, Shavire Chizi, Shavire Bari, Memote Munyazai, Numeza Bari, Akadiwa Kaboke Chizu, Siramacho Chigwaya.